to Stephanie and Bryan Vlogs! So, for today's video, we're going to be doing Lenovo V15 unboxing! So, binili po namin yung mga gadgets na to for online class. And I'm really excited na makita yung laptop niya. Kasi akin, bukas pa po ata dadating kasi isang set siya at in-order po siya or baka bibilin, we don't know. But, yeah. So, story time lang po muna. Kinabahan po kami kahapon. Dati pa po kasi nagpa-plan yung parents namin and yung kuya ko na bumili po ng laptop. And kahapon po pumunta po sila sa halos lahat ng malls. Hindi naman lahat, grabe. Yung mga malls po na napuntahan nila, I think ilang malls, 3 or 5. Tapos pagkatingin po nila, walang laptop. As in, wala daw po. Merong laptop, pero yung mga gaming laptop na tig 75,000 or 40 or 90,000 na hindi naman namin kailangan yung mga features na nandun for online class lang naman. Tapos bumalik po sila dito sa bahay. Then nasad po kami kasi wala po silang nabili. Then, pero po kanina po, pumunta po ulit sila kanina. Sa ibang naman pong mall. And nakita po sila. Pero isang laptop lang po yung binili nila kasi yan na daw po yung last na laptop na display. Dapat po kasi kami po dalawa, nung unang gusto po namin is laptop. Then yung computer. Kasi po parang ang ganda ng table and parang maganda yung table, parang complete. Then naging laptop ulit. Pero sabi po ng papa po namin, mas maganda po na laptop kasi hanggang kung mag-face-to-face education na po ulit kung pagpapasok na po ulit sa school, eh pwede po namin magamit yung laptop kung may project or something like that, parang madadala po namin dito sa school. And yun na din po yung naisip namin. So naisip ko, laptop na lang din po. Pero po kay Steph, sa ngayon po, computer. Kasi yun na nga po yung hand ko. Tiktok. Baka kapag bukhatin ko po, maganan ko, baka masira. Kaya kapag yung playdate ka, kapag computer po guys, nakastay lang po siya sa isang lugar. Yeah, hindi niya po magagalaw. Yes. So, gusto ko na talaga unboxing, so let's go. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ring the bell so you'll get notified when we upload some more videos, and comment down below for any suggestions you want us to do. So, let's get started with the unboxing. So, here it is! So, yan may laptop niya. Oh, wait. I'm gonna smash it. It's Lenovo. But before this, it's Lenovo. Yeah, before kailangan, ang plano po talaga namin is Asus. Yeah. Kaso nga po, yun na nga po, wala na po dapat po yung Asus X409UH something. Pero po, yun nga po, out of stock na. So, yan, meron din po kaming mouse. Yeah, it's for my laptop. Yes. Well, it's not for my computer kasi meron pa po akong own na mouse. Ayan, the po you're holding it. So, sa kanya po yan. Well, alam niyo naman po, meron naman po yung pad na ginaganon para magalaw yung ano. Pero, sabi po, mas madali naman po siguro. Yes, mas safe daw po kasi baka masira. Yeah. So, before natin buksan yung laptop, meron po tayong freebies. Oh, ano ba? Freebies or freebie? Kasi isang item lang naman to. Ano ba na freebie? Comment down below. Freebie? Or freebie? Where did you get that word? No, I don't. Okay, yung freebie niya or freebies, I don't know guys. Backpack! Yay! That's a joke. Excuse me. So, yung backpack po, okay, remove it from plastic. Backpack from Lenovo. Free lang po yan. Yeah, may lagayan na po siya space para po sa laptop na may phone. So, dito daw po ilalagay yung laptop. So, dito daw po yung may phone. So, the first zipper, yun nga po yung lagayan ng laptop, which is my phone. Then, another lagayan. Dami po. Yeah, marami. Tatlo po yung zipper niya, pero sa loob po marami siyang packet. Yes. Dito, sobrang dami niya rin lalagyan. Pwede yung maglagay ng mga pencils and everything. Parang school bag na rin siya. Yeah. Pang estudyante talaga. Pero naman last, maliit na pocket. At meron na din po siya lalagyan dito ng mga tumbler and so, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. Kahit free lang naman. Wow. Okay, let's go. Exciting part. No. The mouse. Oh, yeah, we're gonna open the mouse. Okay, we're gonna open the mouth.
Can you please open it? Because like it's mine.
Wait, I wanted to eat.
No.
It's not fair.
ASMR.
It's fine. I don't think that.
Shut up! This is an ASMR, diba? Sabi mo? Fish.
Thank you.
Oh my. I can't.
Can I help?
No. Oh, there. There, I got it out.
Be careful of the wire.
What the? This looks stupid. I'm sorry, guys. Brand niya po is from, to? Uniso.
Uniso.
Uniso? Hindi ko po.
Di ba guys, meron Miniso, Daiso. Ano bang meron sa So?
Ito po yung, oh, looks pretty good.
It actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with the laptop!
This is my laptop. Okay. No, this is my laptop, but everyone can use it.
Yes, I can use it.
Yeah. I'm not going to put password on it because sabi po ni Kuya, dapat po share kami. Kasi baka mami may problema. So, pwede ko pong magamit yung computer niya and pwede niya yung magamit to.
Aray, ba't mo sinasaktan?
Wow, okay mo. So, gagawa po kami ng montage mamaya, which is much more better. Okay guys, ito muna.
I can help.
Okay,
Ano yung ni?
Nabuksan na po neto kanina yung kuya ko, but hindi ko po nahawakan, so ngayon po sobrang happy ako. So guys, ito po yung itsura. Una pong bubuksan ko is yung
The charger.
Wait guys, a disclaimer. Ito pong vlog video na to is not a review of Lenovo V15. It's not a review.
Yes, hindi po to review.
Unboxing lang po, parang papakita lang po namin sa inyo kung
ano po yung nasa box.
Yeah, so yan po yung charger.
Ang taba!
Kasi yung taba ako.
Buti alam mo.
So it says Lenovo there. Hope you can see. It's not very clear.
Welp! Ano yun?
Sorry guys for the background noise. It's our neighbor. So, ayan nga po yung charger. And it's very...
Fat. Thick.
So, ito po yung ano niya. Okay, so there's some kind of note here. So,
Wait, let me get the note.
okay, this is the most messy unboxing ever.
Oh, I'm not gonna read.
Okay, let's open it. Siguro pang 5 beses ko na itong pinakita sa inyo yung phone locker. Can you please put this up? Oh!
Da-da-da! Wow, ang ganda naman ng phone. I'm the queen of the heart. Tama
Can
ba
you
yun?
please pull out the
The laptop?
The box. I'm scared. I don't need that.
Oh my god.
Wait, oh, sorry for that paper thingy. So
What is
it
that?
says Lenovo right there.
Oh my god.
This is the back, you guys. Okay. So, I think meron po itong 8 GB of RAM. And basta halos 1 terabyte ng storage.
Whoa!
I'm sorry. Hindi ko napansin. Okay, let's open it. It's opened! Okay, that's the brightest. I'm sorry guys for the light.
Kasi may...
Yeah, may ilaw
light
po
pa.
siya. So, look at that.
It's so pretty.
Do you love it?
You guys,
'Cause I
it's
love
so
it.
pretty. You guys, I love it.
And, wait, there's a cool part right here. Pero hindi po sa amin sinabi ng kuya ko and ng mom ko.
Yes, kasi baka matakot po sila na baka...
Masira po yung hair. Baka masira po namin. Pero
Ay,
nag-research.
by the way, may camera na po.
Oh yeah, may camera na
At
po siya.
meron na din po siyang mic.
Yeah. So, yun nga po, nakita po namin sa YouTube. Nag-research po ako ng review and pwede po siyang ma-fold hanggang 180 degrees.
Kanina po.
Look at this, guys.
Yan.
It's flat as my nose. Oh my god. There's the camera, guys. Lilipat po muna kami doon. So, hey guys! So, ayun po. Nakikita ko po yung camera right there. Okay, so ganyan lang po kalinaw or kalabo. I don't know. Basta ganyan po yung megapixel ng camera. Ganyan po. I don't know kung gaano
Pwede po kayo mag-video, pwede
Yeah.
po kami mag-picture.
Yeah,